Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to make you stuffed pork chops. If you remember, when we portioned the pork chops, I left 2 extra large so I could have Jaeger schnitzel, 4 pork chops, or in this case 2 stuffed pork chops. We have feta cheese, we have some spinach, we're going to have a side of squash ribbons and butter sauce, and we're also going to have a side of a cucumber salad with yogurt and some seasonings. The first thing we need to do is get a hole put in these so I can stuff the goodness inside. Now the way that I'm cooking these is low and slow on the Weber kettle, so this fat will have a chance to render. I'm going to leave that on there. What I want to do is I want to cut just a small pocket right inside there, so I know this is too far, so I want to make sure I don't go past that spot on the knife. And you're just feeling around, and now you're just trying to make a pocket in there, and I'm pushing against this way just a little bit, and I'm going to flip the knife and I'm going to push it this way just a little bit, and I'm trying to make room for the spinach and the feta cheese as much as I can without cutting through. And you can see there's a nice pocket in there. I want more filling, so I'm going to keep cutting this just a little bit more. A little close there, a little close there. I need to go just a little deeper. And that's I don't know if you can see that or not. That's good for stuffing. Same thing on this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this spinach and I'm going to stuff it in there. And I'm packing it in real good because when spinach cooks, it shrinks. I'm going to take a little bit of the cheese. I'm going to stuff it down in there. And take a little more spinach. And really give it a good pack. Some more cheese. Some more spinach. And I want this thing to blow up like a puffer fish, full of good cheese and spinach. There you go. That guy's good to go. Same on this one. There you go. 2 beautifully stuffed pork chops. So these will sit in the fridge until we're ready to cook. So I wash my hands so I can grab my Montreal chicken seasoning. Oh, love this stuff. I'm gonna see, this has salt, but it has a lot of other herbs and spices. I really enjoy it. So this is kind of my dry brine, and it will sit in the refrigerator for a couple hours till I'm ready to crank up the kettle. We'll put that in the refrigerator and it'll be ready to go. So we got plenty of heat. I'm gonna close down these vents as much as I can, and I'm gonna get this set up as my more exacting measurement, and then I'm gonna put these guys on this side, and here's where I put the thermometer in the deepest, thickest part, and that's where I'm gonna get my temperature from. Now this is the patient part. The first temperature is the meat, and that's the temperature of the grill. I want to stop that at 200 exactly, but we're still kind of normalizing the thermometer temperatures, the inside temperatures. So this takes a little bit of finesse. I'm closing this because I'm already at 174. It's going to blow past 200 and I don't want it to. There's 186. 214, just like I thought. So the bottom's closed and the top's closed, and I'm gonna wait till that comes down. I was able to get it to level off about 200 degrees. It ran about 20-25 minutes. Once I got up to a temperature of about 135, I was able to move it over to the fire side, so it's directly over the fire. I do wish I'd have built that fire up just a little bit hotter to get a better sear, but overall, it came out pretty nice. As you can see from the photos, it came out really juicy, tender. The squash ribbons came out nice. The cucumber was awesome. Overall, we're real happy with this, and we will do it again.